How to turn off recommended songs on Spotify. To do that, what you can simply do is install the latest version of Spotify on your device. If you have already done so, then open Spotify. After you open this application, you will see an interface like this. And of course, Spotify recommends you many songs, but how do you stop them from recommending the songs? So, if simply you don't want to see any song, then you can just tap on that song. If this is the collection that Spotify recommends you, then when you tap on the vertical dots, which is of any either song that you don't want to hear to, when you tap on this option, you will see many options here. Then just tap on the option of hide this song. And when you tap on this option, then this song won't be shown in your feed. So yes, this is how you hide the song that you don't want to be recommended on your Spotify. So yes, this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.